Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this classic neutral makeup look. This is definitely one of my go-to glam looks for any occasion, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So starting off, I'm going to be taking the new Dream palette from Sigma Beauty in collaboration with Yasmin, also known as Beauty Bird. So starting off, I'm going to be grabbing the shade Carmelito and applying that in my crease, and this is going to work as a transitional shade. Next, I'm going to be grabbing the shade Boo Boo, and I'm going to place that in my crease, going deeper and making sure I'm fading it outward. Then I'm going to take the shade Tacos and Chill, and I'm going to place that in my outer V, working its way inward in my crease. Then taking the shade Woof Woof, I'm going to place that in my outer V and start creating a more smoky effect. And then I'll be grabbing the shade Fearless and placing that just on the outer V of my eye. Now grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to grab my concealer brush and start creating a cut crease. So I'm going to start on the inner part of my eye, curving its way outwards towards the outer V of my eye. Then taking the shade Milagro, I'm going to place that in the middle of my eyelid. Then I'll be taking the Marc Jacobs See-quins eyeshadow in the shade Flashlight, and with a more defined flat brush, I'm going to place that all over the eyelid. And then for eyeliner today, I decided to use the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. And for lashes, I'm using the Luxy lash in the style Westside. Moving on to the face, I'll be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas as a primer today. And for foundation, of course, surprise, surprise, I'm using the Bounce Beauty Blender Foundation yet again. And this one is actually in the shade 3.5. And to contour and highlight today, I decided to use the LA Girl Pro Concealers. The contour shade is in the shade Fawn, and then for highlighting, I used the shade Porcelain. And I wanted my under eyes to be super bright, so I decided to also add the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and this is in the shade Meringue. And to set all the concealer, I used the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. Moving back to the eyes, I'm going to be taking the shade Boo Boo and Tacos and Chill and placing that underneath my eye and smoking it out. Then taking a flat definer brush, I'm going to take the shade Woof Woof and place that right near my lash line. And for mascara, I use the new Nars Cliimax mascara. For bronzer, I'm using the Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced, and I'm going to bronze the outside of my face. And then for blush, I'll be grabbing the Stalazi Bahamas blush palette, and I'll be taking the shades Mai Tai and Pina Colada and placing that on the apples of my cheeks. To intensify my highlight, I'm going to be grabbing the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist and spraying that only on the sides of my face. And then for highlight today, I'm going to be going in with the Amrezy Highlighter from ABH and applying that to the apples of my cheeks, on my chin, on my cupid's bow, as well as my nose. And don't forget your temples. So I always get so many questions on what I like to use for my eyebrows because I do have like very long eyebrow hairs that tend to fall. So my favorite gel has always been the Sephora brand eyebrow gel. I definitely recommend trying it. It's super tacky and it makes them stick. For lips, I'm going to be starting off with the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle. If you guys want an in-depth video on how I like to overline my lips and kind of contour them, let me know. But for the most part, it's pretty easy. I just kind of go along with the natural lip line and then I start filling them in. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the new YSL Leather Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade number 11. It was looking a little too pink for me, so I just kept going back and forth with the lip liner and making sure I use my finger to blend everything out. And to finish everything off, I'll be taking my Morphe Continuing Setting Mist and spraying my entire face. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, definitely leave a thumbs up on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching.